Hello viewers. Welcome to another new video of 2Nerd Digital Agency. Today I will show you how to edit a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. As you can see in my screen, here is a PDF document. Adobe Acrobat is a very popular software for PDF editing. If you want to edit a PDF document, you need to download and install Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you can't download or install the software, then you can contact with us. We will give you the Adobe Acrobat software for free. I have installed the software on my computer. Now let's open the PDF file with Adobe Acrobat. Here it is. Now click on the Edit a PDF button from the toolbar. After clicking on this, it will show some margin boxes around the texts of the PDF. That means the PDF document is ready to edit. Suppose I want to edit the title line. So I put the cursor on it. After putting the cursor here, it's showing the font name. If you have the font already, then nothing to do. But you haven't the font, then you have to download and install it. To download the font, let's copy the font name from here. Let's open Google. After coming in Google, paste the font name on Google and search. As you can see, Google is showing many results of the font. Let's open a website from these. After opening the website, simply download the font from here. When the download will complete, open the file and install all the fonts inside it. Let's open Acrobat again. After opening, simply select the title line. Now write whatever you want to change in it. I am writing my company name here. Look, the text is changed successfully with the original font. And the text is looking real and original. Now I will change the second line. So I am putting the cursor on it. Look, it is showing the same font here. So I don't need to download the font again. If it shows a different font, then you have to download the font again, as how I showed in this video first. I have the font already. So I will just select the line and write whatever I want to make change on it. Look how I am changing the line, and it is changing with the original font perfectly. It is a very easy process. Done. Look, I have changed this line also, and it's looking real. That's how you can edit a PDF document on Adobe Acrobat. Just follow the process carefully and let's start editing professionally. If you found any problem while editing, or if you can't edit, then contact with us directly. We provide any kinds of PDF document editing service. Visit our website 2nerd.com or send message directly on WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you. Don't forget to like the video.